Welcome to Business Central Tips and Tricks video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. In Business Central, you can set up the system to post journals and documents in the background, enabling you to keep working on other tasks without having to wait for the posting to finish. This is especially useful when dealing with journals and documents that contain a large number of lines. You can enable this in areas like general ledger setup, sales and receivable setup, and purchase and payable setup. Let's walk through how to enable background posting in the purchase and payable setup. Start by searching for purchase and payable setup. Locate the background posting section and enable post with job queue. In this case, I also enable post in print with job queue to receive notifications in my role center when the purchase documents have been posted and printed. Now, let's see this in action. Navigate to Purchase Orders and select the purchase order you want to post in print. I opt to receive and invoice the purchase order. And click OK. A confirmation message appears, indicating that the purchase order has been scheduled for background posting. Let's head back to the role center. I expect to find the posted purchase order in my report inbox, and as expected, there are two documents. One is the printed purchase receipt, and the other is the posted purchase invoice. Select Open in OneDrive, which will display the document in OneDrive if cloud file integration is enabled in Business Central. Through this process, we've learned how to post documents in the background, monitor their status when they appear in the report inbox, and access them using OneDrive.